Guys, today we talk about Nothing CMF Phone 1 versus OnePlus Nord 4. The Nothing CMF Phone 1 launched on July 2024. The price is $459. The OnePlus Nord 4 launched on July 2024. The price is $500. The body dimensions of Nothing phone: height 6.46 inch, width 3.03 inch, thickness 8.2 mm, and the OnePlus Nord 4: height 6.43 inch, width 2.93 inch, thickness 7.99 mm. The weight of Nothing CMF Phone 1 is 202 gram and the OnePlus Nord for 205 gram, and the build Nothing phone: front glass, plastic back and silicone back and plastic frame. The OnePlus Nord 4 front and back glass and aluminium frame. The both mobile come with dual SIM nano SIM card support. The display of the devices: the Nothing CMF Phone 1 come with AMOLED 16 color screen type. The OnePlus come with Full AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size of Nothing phone 6.67 inch. The OnePlus Nord 4 6.74 inch. The resolution of Nothing CMF 1 1080p and the OnePlus Nord 4 1.5K screen resolution, and the PPI Dynasty Nothing phone come with 395, the OnePlus Nord 4 451. The both device come with 120 Hz refresh rate, and the screen to body ratio Nothing phone 1 come with 85.1% screen to body ratio. The OnePlus Nord 4 come with 90.1% screen to body ratio, and the screen protection it's come with Corning Gorilla Glass screen protection in both device. The OnePlus Nord 4 come with 4500 nits peak of brightness. The Nothing CMF Phone 1 come with 2000 nits peak of brightness. The camera setup: the Nothing Phone CMF 1 come with dual camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide 2 megapixel depth sensor with LED flash HDR panorama, and it records 4K 30 fps video. The OnePlus Nord 4 comes with dual camera setup too. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide and 8 megapixel ultra wide with LED flash HDR panorama with 4K 60 fps video record, and the both model come with 16 megapixel selfie camera with 1080p 30 fps video record. The platform: the Nothing CMF Phone 1 come with Cortex A78 2.5 GHz octa-core, and the OnePlus Nord 4 come with octa-core CPU with Cortex X4 2.8 GHz, and the chipset is MediaTek Dimensity 7304 nm. Nothing CMF Phone 1 and the OnePlus Nord 4 come with Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 4nm, and the Nothing CMF Phone 1 come with Mali G615 GPU. The OnePlus Nord 4 come with Adreno 734 and the both device come with Android 14 operating system, and the memory it's come with 16 and 8 gigs of RAM. The OnePlus Nord 4 come with 12 gigs and 16 gigs of RAM. The Nothing CMF Phone 1 come with 128 gigs and 256 gigs of ROM, and the OnePlus 12 Nord 4 come with 256 gigs and 512 gigs of ROM. Nothing CMF Phone 1 come with micro SD card support, and the OnePlus Nord 4 could not support micro SD card. The battery backup: OnePlus Nord 4 come with 5500 mAh battery. The Nothing CMF Phone 1 come with 5000 mAh battery, and the Nothing smartphone come with 33-watt fast charging. The OnePlus Nord 4 come with 100-watt fast charging. The both model could not support wireless charging, and it's come with 5G network support. The result of these devices: the Nothing CMF Phone 1 got 15 points and the OnePlus Nord 4 got 25.5 points.